Good day, Sir Albert Pindoy. My name is Christophe Maitem, PSPE PE3C. Um, my topic assigned is state the reason for the declining exchange value of peso. Then the first is trade deficit. When a country imports more than it exports, it creates a higher demand for currency like the US dollar and less demand for the peso, putting downward pressure on its value. For example, sa trade deficit, Argentina has often imported more than it exported, increasing demand for foreign currencies, especially the US dollar, to pay for imports while demand for the peso drops. Bali, sa high inflation, number two, high inflation. Persistent inflation erodes the purchasing power of the peso, making it less attractive to investors and traders, leading to depreciation. For my example sa high inflation, uh, same lang yapon, Argentina has faced chronic inflation with rates sometimes exceeding 100% annually. This rapid erosion of purchasing power makes the peso less attractive both domestically and internationally. Then, the political or economic instability, uncertainty due to political issues, policy charges, or poor governance can decrease investor confidence, leading to capital flight and peso devaluation. Um, sa political and economic instability, frequent charges in economic policy, government debt defaults of and lack of confidence in fiscal management have led foreign investors to pull out capital. This capital flight increases pressure on the peso and accelerate its devaluation. So, for my opinion lang po na this combination of trade imbalance, inflation, or and instability lead to a cycle where the peso continually lost value requiring government intervention and foreign currency controls to slow the decline. Thank you, sir.